This 5-minute solution will show you how to edit and update a Facebook avatar. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Facebook profile, and I'm tapping on edit profile, and here we can see my avatar. And if you want to edit or update your avatar, simply tap on edit, and now from this list you can select your hairstyle and tap on brows, and from here you can select your eyebrows, and that's how you'll be able to customize your avatar. You can change your skin tone from here. You can change your body. I'm editing my avatar randomly to show you how you can do it. So that's how you'll be able to edit your avatar. Once done, tap on save. And it may take some time to save or update your avatar. Once it's updated, tap on tap on this cross icon at the top left. And now you can use your avatar as your cover photo from here. And here we can see my avatar has been updated. So this is how we can do it. And if you want to show the avatar on your Facebook profile, then make sure to enable this option. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.